It was just another beautiful morning in Gaul. No one knew what was coming. The ocean pulled back unnaturally. The silence felt heavy. Something was wrong. It hit without warning. A giant wave swallowed everything in its path. Everything changed in seconds. Homes, dreams, and lives were torn apart. Voices called out through the wreckage. "Where are you? Are you alive?" As tragedy struck, the nation stood up. Together, they began the rescue. From around the world, help came pouring in. The world stood with Sri Lanka. Tears flowed. Prayers echoed. We mourned as one people. We lost much, but not our spirit. Together, we rise. We remember 2024 not just for the wave, but for the strength we found together.